So what's up, gang? Jason here for the Love of Tractors. Hope you're having an awesome time, awesome weekend. It is Saturday when I'm recording this, and I'm probably going to try to upload this tomorrow on Sunday, although we'll see. Things have been busy lately. I'm just going to readjust my camera a bit. So I thought we'd take a second here, and this is now officially out of the frame. Let's move that there. That's still not a good picture at all, is it? I just thought we'd take a second here and talk about big John Deere four-wheel drive or track power. I'm going to move my semi-truck with my hay bales, and let's get these back into a better place. So I've got 3 custom John Deere tractors here. So we've got the 9620RX, and so I'll just take a quick look at it. I mean, you guys have seen the videos on these, but so I custom made, scratch built some handrails, some flashers, things of that nature, these flashers as well. And that's kind of all I did to it. Now there is now a super high detail kit available in 3D printed for these. It does a lot of extra cool stuff to them. So I think I'm going to try and do one of those maybe this winter. We'll see. We'll see how time goes. I have a lot of other projects to get through first, but I'd love to kick this up just another notch to kind of get it on that next level that this tractor is. So we'll take a look at it last. Now, so here we've got the 2-track version. Now, of course, John Deere came with the 2-track version way before they had a quad track. And these are always beastly. I don't know, they were cool. We tested one, oh boy, years ago. I think it was still just the 100 series, so it was like a 9400, I think, that we tested. And, they're nice tractors. They've come a long way since that first series, though. They're way nicer tractors now. I think the disadvantage to these was when you got into some mud, sometimes one track would grip and the other would slip, so you'd end up turning, and you were kind of fighting it with the steering wheel. Now the newer ones may be better at that than these. And then ride quality was not that great, I felt like, especially compared to a quad track. But I think that's significantly improved in these now, with the 30 series and all that. So I don't know. Anyway, this one's kind of a little more custom work than that guy. So I put a new hitch on the back. It's more realistic, as you can see. Now, I should have cut out this inside area, but hindsight's 20/20 there. I ran the actual lines to the hydraulic outlets there. You can see, of course, flasher on top and handrails, and I did my step kit here, so it's actually got the holes and the grip and all that sort of thing. It just looks much nicer than the stock Ertl piece, I think. And then these front weights are the bracket, I believe, is from Hector on Shapeways, and then those weights, I believe, are Matt Cassidy's. So, really sweet setup there. But anyway, that's a nice outfit, I think. Anyway, I'm happy with it. I could go a little farther, and maybe I will someday with it. I would love to see Hector do to this what he did for this, which, give us all the detail, or what he did for the 8RT, which you guys have seen. Actually, it's hiding back there in the background, just to kind of take that over the top detailed. And now here is this guy. So I did the steel tanks on this one, and I just think that really dresses up these tractors so much. So I did new wheels and tires all the way around. I basically just went to Hector's Shapeway store and just added everything he had for this. So big bracket, big weights up front. Like I said, the entire steel tank kit back here. I had to add some fuel breathers, I guess is what those would be called. The entire back end is redone. Weights. I need to get an SMV logo. I meant to pick that up at the last show I was at, and I forgot. That's just how it goes sometimes. But anyway, this whole rear end is redone. Super high detail, awesome stuff. And then, of course, these wheels and tires are great, too. You can see, so here's one of the downside with 3D printed tires. So those were nice and super black when I did those. And now, I think I've had this kit installed for maybe close to a year now, roughly, possibly just 6 months. But you can see I'm starting to get some like white hazing on those. So I'll probably have to repaint those again pretty quick. It's just, I don't know, it's one of the weird things with some 3D printed stuff I don't quite understand. Anyway. Nice flashers here, as well as got mirrors there. Now, I still need to do the rails here to sort of finish this kit off. And I'm kind of holding just a little bit on that because I'm hoping to get time, rather than scratch build them like I did on the quad, I'm hoping to maybe 3D print them just to make my life a little easier, because I do want to do, like I said, maybe another quad high detail and another one of these. Now, I realize like scratch building those rails is a 5-minute job, but 3D printing, I can do it more accurately, so that's kind of what I'm after. But anyway, that's it. I just wanted to take a quick look here at big John Deere power on the model farm, I guess. So here's the thing, and as you guys know, if you watched the last video or maybe 2 videos ago, I can't remember now, I'm moving, and once I get moved, I'm making a new display. So, I'm not sure what equipment I'm going to run yet. I talked about to you guys I'm going to do some haying, but that's going to be a small part of it. Obviously, big horsepower is going to be a big part of it. So I just don't know off the top of my head for sure if I want to run red or green. I think if you're going to do big horsepower on a bigger type farm, you probably are just going to stick to one color. Unlike, let's say, our farm, where we've got kind of a rainbow of colors. You guys know we've got Deere, Case IH, and New Holland power on our farm. So, but anyway, I guess that's down the road a little bit. But I was kind of sitting here. I had a little bit of free time today, and I just kind of wanted to, in my own head, look through these and sort of sort out where I want to head with my future display. And I've got some time. I mean, I'm not going to probably start working on that until winter, so it's not like I have to know today. But anyway, that's the whole point of this video. I just kind of wanted to look these tractors over, and I'm probably going to do the same thing with some Case IH stuff soon, just to figure out where I'm going in the future with my display. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I know it wasn't anything spectacular, but I hope you like the custom John Deere stuff I've done here. As always, tell me what you think below, and do that like, share, subscribe thing if you would. You're the best. Have yourselves a great day. Treat each other well. Happy tractor hunting.